Hey everyone, it's Hannah here. This video is a tutorial making a couple of Easter cards using some mixed media techniques. I will be showing you how I am doing some stenciling using some crackling paste. That's what I'm doing here. In this first part, I'm using the crackling paste, and then I let it air dry to kind of give it, to let the paste crack a little bit. And then I will come back with, just some texture paste, let that dry. And then I will be using some Finnabair acrylic paints and watercolor paints, just to kind of trim around each picture. And then I will be embellishing the card, to finish it up. Halfway through the video, my son will be assisting us with making the cards. He told me he wanted to paint two, so he's going to help me finish up one of the cards, just dabbing some of the paint. And when we get to that part, there will be no music. You will hear me and him talking, and just kind of, I'm just kind of instructing him on how to do it. So I'm going to go ahead and let you enjoy the music, enjoy the video, and if you have any questions or comments, feel free to let me know. I apologize for the lighting in this video. I had to grab a few minutes here and there as I could, and it was mostly early in the mornings or late at night when it was dark. And even with my lamp on and light on, the lighting still wasn't good. So that is something that we are working on. I'm trying to get some better lighting, some better, angles for the recording. Some places I tried to zoom in a little bit so you could get a better look, at how I was doing it. So again, I apologize if it is kind of hard to follow through. I am working on it, so please just bear with me. But again, if you have questions or suggestions, please feel free to post them below. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day. We're going to put this one up, make room.
I should you paint.
All right. All right, here's what you're going to do.
I just whipped out this.
Okay. All right. Hold on. Kind of gently. You want to have a finesse.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7,
Okay.
8, 9.
You're going to do it with that hand, but this is my card.
13, 14,
Okay. And you got to hold your paintbrush
17,
like this.
18, 19, 20.
Okay. And let's scoop a little bit more in there.
23, 24,
See?
25,
So you just let the paintbrush do the work.
29. So we all done.
Not yet. We're just kind of going through and highlighting some stuff. Yeah, we're just kind of going through and just add some little highlights.
20, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27,
Okay. See, this kind of dried out at the top, but I squirted some water and it still works good. Okay. Now you don't want to be sticking your finger in it now. Right. Whoop, hold on. Got my finger totally in it. You need to leave that on the table. Okay, you need to leave it down on the table. Okay. Alright, squirt a little bit more water in it. Just to kind of soften it up a little bit. Okay, so look, it sounds like the internet came back on. Okay. You want to keep painting or you want to watch TV?
I want to keep painting.
You keep painting. Okay. All right. Just kind of. I'm guiding your hand. Okay. I'm guiding. All right.
I want to keep painting.
Okay.
The Astros beat Seattle.
Good. The Astros needed to beat Seattle.
They beat them 10-6.
Whoa, they skunked them. Okay. All right, I think that's good. And then see what we do is we take our picture. Stop. We take our picture. We're just going to kind of lay it on top and just take a peek. That looks good, don't it? I like that. It's got kind of.
Figure on that.
Yeah, I think we can say we're done. I'm going to add some lettering at the bottom. You know, it says something about Happy Easter. So, all right. All right. No, I'm going to put this up and we're going to go get some breakfast.